Imagine pulling over on a quiet road surrounded by green hills, and the moment this tiny bicycle tow camper opens up, everything inside feels like a complete little home. As the back hatch lifts, the first thing that appears is a cozy sleeping space that almost fills the interior, giving you a comfortable place to rest anywhere you travel. The mattress is thick enough to sleep properly overnight, and it's fitted perfectly inside the curved shape, making it feel snug and protective from wind and cold. A soft quilt is already spread out, so instead of setting anything up, you can literally park and relax instantly. Right beside the bed, built into the wooden structure, you can see compact storage cabinets and little shelves. These give space for clothes, a power bank, some travel essentials, and even small decoration pieces like tiny plants. The wood finishing gives a warm modern cabin feel, so even though the space is very small, it feels neat, cozy and smartly built. The side window brings natural light and fresh air inside while you're lying down, making this tiny camper feel surprisingly open instead of cramped. On the opposite side, there's a fully functional mini kitchen built into the same line as the bed. Here you have a small sink with a faucet so you can wash dishes right in the camper, and there's a 2-burner cooking stove for making tea, noodles, eggs, or whatever quick food you like during camping. Under the stove, small drawers store cooking tools, spoons, spices, and portable gas. Everything is reachable without even getting out of the camper, which makes this design extremely functional for one-person travel. Down below on the outside rear compartment, another cabinet opens outward, and inside you'll notice water storage containers and extra gear space. This keeps water, tools, or emergency items separate from the sleeping area, so everything stays organized. There's even room for a small cooler box or extra bags, which means long-distance cycling and camping becomes practical with this setup. The material of the camper outside is lightweight, so a bicycle can easily tow it without heavy effort. That single main wheel support and small aerodynamic shape keeps it moving smoothly like a tiny shell behind your bike. What's impressive is how every inch is used. Even though this camper is extremely compact, nothing feels missing. Sleeping area, kitchen, storage, roof ventilation, windows, everything is included in a tiny space that follows you anywhere. This is basically freedom on wheels for someone who doesn't want rent, hotels, or expensive camping vans. You can travel independently, sleep in nature, cook your own meals, and wake up surrounded by mountains or forests. For anyone dreaming of simple travel, this little bicycle camper proves you don't need a big vehicle or a lot of money, just a smart tiny